I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Mozilla Firefox drawing. We will begin by gathering all the necessary tools. Whether you prefer traditional art supplies like pencils and paper, or digital tools such as a drawing tablet and software, having the right equipment is key. Always keep high-quality reference images of the Firefox logo nearby to ensure accuracy throughout your creative process. This will help you capture every detail perfectly. Now, let's establish the fundamental shapes of the Firefox logo. Start by lightly sketching a large, perfect circle to represent the globe's main body. Next, add a slightly smaller, elongated oval for the fox's head and snout, positioning it carefully. Then, gently draw the fox's distinctive tail, ensuring it curves gracefully around the left side of the globe. Paying close attention to these initial proportions is crucial for a balanced and accurate drawing. With the basic outline complete, it is time to bring your Firefox drawing to life with details and color. Carefully refine the intricate textures of the fox's fur, its pointed ears, and the distinct shapes of the globe's continents. Employ vibrant orange and rich blue hues for the fox and the globe, respectively. Apply subtle shading to create depth and dimension, making your artwork truly pop. Remember to capture the smooth gradients found in the official logo. To finalize your Mozilla Firefox drawing, focus on the finishing touches. Gently erase any remaining guidelines to ensure a clean and polished look. Consider adding subtle highlights to give your drawing a shiny, three-dimensional appearance, enhancing its visual appeal. Remember, consistent practice is key to improving your artistic abilities. Once complete, feel proud to share your unique Firefox artwork with friends and family, showcasing your creative talent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.